I'm Bernice Ross. I'm so happy to welcome Annette Anthony. She is the Vice President of Technology Engagement for Exit Realty, and Annette is like one of my go-to people when I want to find out what's happening that can really help agents. You have a great topic today, which I'm really excited about: how to use Zoom on open house. And I know you'll have some creative ideas other than just pointing the camera and zooming around.
Yes, so Zoom is not dead. Zoom is such a great opportunity to really draw your audience in when they can't physically be with you. Many of our agents have taken advantage of Zoom by creating an open house experience, and the most interesting part of it is they'll have the homeowner actually lead the conversation in Zoom. And that's been the biggest difference, simply because it is no longer about the agent selling the home or the agent marketing the home. What it is, Bernice, it's about the consumer sharing a story about what is it like to live in this home? What is it like to be part of this community? What's the neighborhood like? Where do I go to take a family out to dinner? Or describe for me, as we're walking through the home, some of the special moments you've experienced, whether it was a wedding reception or birthday parties. How many people did you have out here on this deck, right, of the backyard? And they can just visualize, oh my gosh, we had a little band, we had seating for family, and it really brings to life the home. It's no longer about marketing it or selling it. And certainly people watching it don't feel like they're being sold. They're being explained how great it is to have an experience in this home as a homeowner. So if I could give that suggestion, for going forward in 2022 and beyond, Zoom is a great way to really draw your audience in, and I highly encourage it.
I love the idea of getting the homeowner engaged to tell the story. And I saw a very powerful video a number of years ago where a gentleman who had been the fourth generation had owned his ranch, and he was going to have to sell it outside the family.
Yes.
And here's this old kind of, very, has been out on the range, and he just gets this tear in his eye, and it was so powerful. And those are the kinds of moments that you really want to share. So Annette, thank you for visiting with us today. I love this idea. Get the seller engaged and stop doing the showings yourself.
Absolutely.
Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.